Welcome. This video will guide you through using the hands-free text messaging feature in your Tesla. As of December 2025, Tesla's voice texting is a core feature integrated into all Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck vehicles running software version 2024.44 or later. This feature allows you to safely reply to messages while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Let's get started. Before using voice texting, pair your phone with your Tesla via Bluetooth. Start by accessing your Tesla's touchscreen and navigating to the Bluetooth settings. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Look for your Tesla in the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen pairing instructions to connect your phone. This typically involves selecting your Tesla from the device list and confirming the connection. Ensure your messaging app is open and connected. Supported apps include iMessage, Android Messages, WhatsApp, and Signal. With your phone paired and messaging app open, your Tesla can now access your messages and contacts seamlessly for hands-free voice texting. To reply to a text message hands-free, first, wait for a text notification. You'll hear an audible alert through the car's speakers. Then, press the voice button on the steering wheel. Say a command such as reply to contact name or reply to the last message. After the prompt, dictate your response clearly. The system transcribes your message and sends it automatically. For example, you can say, reply with I'm driving, we'll call later. The system will confirm and send it. The accuracy of voice texting in Tesla vehicles depends on several key factors. These include voice clarity, accent, and background noise, all of which can affect how well the system transcribes your speech. To ensure accurate transcription, Tesla recommends speaking clearly. This helps the system better understand and process your commands. Tesla's system has improved significantly with features like enhanced voice commands, achieving 95% accuracy for common phrases, and advanced natural language processing that makes interactions more intuitive. However, the system does have some limitations. It currently doesn't support emojis or attachments, and complex sentences might require redictation to get the transcription right. Overall, Tesla recommends speaking clearly for the best results when using voice texting features. If the system doesn't recognize your voice, try speaking slower and more clearly. This improves accuracy in various driving conditions. For connectivity issues, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and properly connected to the Tesla. This resolves most pairing problems. Older iPhones, running pre-iOS 18, may experience occasional compatibility problems. Consider updating your iOS version if possible. For multi-language support, including Spanish, French, and Mandarin, make sure your Tesla's software is updated to version v12.5 or later. Tesla emphasizes that voice texting is a safety tool. It's designed to reduce distracted driving by allowing you to communicate without taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. Always prioritize safe driving. If the system misinterprets your message, it's better to wait until you can safely pull over to correct it manually. Remember, this feature is compliant with laws like California's ban on handheld texting while driving. Many Tesla owners find voice texting invaluable in real situations. For instance, a Model Y owner avoided a collision by using voice texting to respond to a family emergency while driving in heavy traffic, as shared on Tesla Motors Club in 2024. Tech reviewers like Marques Brownlee have demonstrated the feature's high accuracy, achieving up to 98% for short replies in popular YouTube tutorials that showcase real-world performance. Tesla's commercial fleet program has also benefited, with a 25% reduction in delivery errors achieved by using voice texting for order confirmations during routes. Hands-free voice texting is part of a broader trend towards AI-driven safety in electric vehicles. As Tesla and other manufacturers push for more autonomous capabilities, voice interfaces become crucial for maintaining driver attention and safety. Looking ahead, future updates will include AI personalization that learns your communication style, predictive replies that suggest responses based on past conversations, and deeper integration with autonomous driving features, allowing the car to handle more complex messaging tasks. As Tesla continues to refine its AI through ongoing software updates, voice texting will become even more seamless and accurate, reducing errors and improving the overall driving experience. Thanks for watching and drive safely.